Hey guys, this is Lindsay with Chalk Palette, and today I wanted to show you some fun projects that you can create with our house cutouts that's part of our new spring catalog launch. You can get this one D-size transfer that comes with all of these different variations of designs that can go on the house cutout. I went live with this project, and this is the texture design that everyone decided on, majority votes, and so we're going to apply it to my surface here. Just fuzzing it first to make sure that it's not too sticky to pull up the paint. And then just go ahead and line it up with the house, apply my chalk paste. I'm going to put on more than what I need to make sure I cover the entire thing, and then I'm going to go through and scrape off all the extra. You want to make sure you can see the design and lines underneath to make sure that you have enough pulled off, and then just go ahead and slowly peel up your transfer. It's going to dry within a few minutes, and so I'm going to also quickly wash my transfer as well. I just have inside of a tin full of regular water. Wash my squeegee, and then just get the chalk paste off of the transfer. You can wash your transfer at any time. It's just easier to do it right after doing the project. And then I just let it dry sticky side up on a towel. And so now I'm going to add a jar. I'm going to use a pipe clamp that you can get in the plumbing section of like Home Depot or Lowe's. You just go ahead and screw it into the house cutout. And then you're going to slide your little cute mason jar inside of it, tighten up the clamp, and you're good to go. You have a fun little coin collector for the laundry room.